Bossity term for, they call it auditory, optical, olfactory, tactile, and gustatory. What that means is you hear, you see, you smell, you taste it. Consciousness on an infinitesimal level. So when you look at pantheism, you look at panentheism, and you look like panpsychism, they all have this sort of philosophy of an external divine intervention.
Horizon. This has to do with the relationship with the melatonin, your pineal gland, your circadian rhythm. When insomnia, the rough draft.
You have to like...
No, it's an easy process, simple process.
It's still around you.
Yeah.
Typical spectrum allows you to understand phenomena. We hear sound. Why sound is a collision of air molecules? Why does
a narrative in a universe that's so in art you have something called composition. Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
trajectory that occurs?
You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.